It's a 2017 Lexus IS. For those who refuse to follow, choose your fast lane and feel the visceral connection between you and the road at the head of the pack. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, four-wheel drive, external memory control, front heated bucket seats, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection finds the IS's cabin is driver-focused with sweeping lines and nice materials. Lexus, a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.